Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar Tree DIY video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created some Halloween themed DIYs, and each of these DIYs only cost me $5 or less to make them, and it took me less than 5 minutes to create them.
All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, so I'm able to bring more videos to you guys that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And like I told you in my intro, I'm sharing with you guys some Dollar Tree Halloween themed DIYs that each of them cost $5 or less to create them, and it took me 5 minutes or less to make them. This video is also a collaboration video that is hosted by me and Drea from Clueless Mama D. Me and her have hosted collaborations in the past before, and we're going to do them quarterly. So we did one 3 months ago where it was during the summertime, and we had so much fun doing that we decided that every 3 months we're going to do a collaboration video where it's a $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. So basically you can only spend $5 at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Dollarama, any type of dollar store that's in your town or in your area. You can only spend $5 and you need to make a DIY within, within that limit, $5. So in the description box below, I will have a playlist that will have a bunch of different videos of other great YouTubers that wanted to join on this collab and to share with you guys their creations as well. With all that being said, let's just jump into today's DIY video, and I can share with you guys how I created these Halloween DIYs. So for the first DIY, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made kind of like a tray with some skeleton feet for it. So basically I took this bag of skeleton heads that you can get at Dollar Tree, and it comes with like 8 little skeleton heads. And so I'm going to take 2 and glue them on top of each other to create 4 legs for this tray. And originally for this DIY, I used that adhesive glue that I love from Dollar Tree that I told you guys is just like E6000. And it is a great glue, but for this DIY, I recommend that you use hot glue, because when I tried to glue that top skeleton head on top of the other one, it just kept slipping off because it doesn't dry really fast, and so it's kind of hard to dry these and keep them in place. So I suggest you use hot glue so that that top skull will stay stuck onto the bottom skull. I spray painted all the skulls black because I wanted it to match the tray that I got from Dollar Tree, and the tray that I got from Dollar Tree was a black tray, so I wanted it to be all one color. Now this next step is optional, but I wanted to add some red diamond eyes to the skulls because I felt like when I did paint it black, it was a little bit too plain. So I wanted to bring out the skull head look. So I decided to add, some red diamond eyes. So I just took this diamond wrap, this red bling diamond wrap that you can find at Dollar Tree. And it is out right now because they're bringing the Christmas stuff out, and they always have the red one during Christmas season, so you can definitely find it. But I basically cut each little diamond wrap out, and I just added some hot glue to the eye sockets and then put my little diamonds in on top of the hot glue. Once I was done gluing on the eyes, the last step was to glue the little skeleton feet onto the tray. And this is the tray that I got at Dollar Tree that you can find in the Halloween section. And I believe it comes in 2 colors, black and purple, but I just love the way the black looks. And if you like, you can add the diamond wrap, the red diamond wrap, to the little details on the tray as well, because they do have some indentions on the top part, and the little red diamond wrap will add a nice little touch to it as well. And here's how the tray turned out. And here is a closer look at the little skeleton skulls with their red eyes. And don't mind the little hot glue strings, I need to remove them. To decorate this tray, I just used items that I found at Dollar Tree. For the next DIY, I wanted to create some magic potion bottles. So I'm taking these bottles that you can find at Dollar Tree in all sorts of colors, and I spray painted them black. Now you can keep them in the colors that you want, but I feel like having them in black makes it more Halloween type colors. But if you can find them in clear, those are great as well. But I just feel like the black just looks more Halloween to me. They also have some potion bottles that they're selling this year at Dollar Tree. They look good by themselves, which is this orange one that I picked up. And they also have this same one in black as well, but I wasn't able to find it. To make it look more like a potion bottle, I'm going to take these window clings that they have at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use some Mod Podge to basically stick them on to the bottles. So I'm just going to take off different ones, cut them to the size that I need, and then apply them to the bottles. But I'm not going to apply it to the orange bottle because I feel like the orange bottle looks great on its own. And also when I did try to apply a window cling onto it, it wasn't sticking properly. I'm also going to use those window cling stickers for this plastic cauldron that you can find in the Halloween section at Dollar Tree. They have it with all the trick-or-treat buckets. I like this little cauldron because you can do so many things with it. But I'm going to take the one that says Witch's Brew and cut it to size and apply it with Mod Podge just like I did the bottles. I wanted to make some Halloween signs with the remainder of those window clean stickers. So I'm taking these chalkboards that are like dual side chalkboards. They come 4 for $5 in the Target dollar spot. I made a Target dollar haul where I shared these, but I haven't posted that video yet. But basically I found these chalkboard little plaques that were 4 for $5 in the Target dollar spot, which I thought was a great buy because it made each of them $1.25. And if you go to Walmart, they have these little things and the easel ones that were smaller than this size for about $3. And I also found a pack of the chalkboard easels 4 for $5 as well, which I picked up, that you will see in that Target dollar spot haul. But I'm just basically taking the rest of these window clings that I has the sayings in it, and I'm going to use Mod Podge to stick them on. And the good thing about Mod Podge is if I want to take this off later on, because I'm not going to add a top layer of Mod Podge, I am able to remove this so that if I want to use this chalkboard plaque later on, I can use it as a chalkboard. And here how my little potion bottles came out, and how my pick your own potion sign came out as well. And I just decorated it with a little tier tray that I found at the Target dollar spot a while back that I spray painted it white. And then this spider is also from Dollar Tree. And this is how my Witch's Brew cauldron came out, and I decorated it with Dollar Tree items, the little spider webs to kind of look like a potion is oozing out with a skull. And this is also how my Hocus Pocus sign came out, which I think they look good paired together. So that is how I created some Halloween themed Dollar Tree DIYs this year, and I can't wait to see how my daughters are going to take these and decorate their playroom with. Like I told you guys before, I decorate my house for the fall downstairs, and the girls have like a loft area upstairs that's kind of like their TV room, and I told them that they could deck that out with Halloween theme because I love the fall and I like decorating for the fall, but they love Halloween as well. So I told them that they could decorate upstairs for Halloween, and so I can't wait to see how they're going to take this and decorate the room with it. These are really easy and simple to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the playlist down below so you guys can see all the other DIYers and see all their creations, because I know they got some amazing ideas for you guys. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.